Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is EmiLou.Arts, and today I am going to set up some of my 2021 Hobonichi Weeks that I'll be using. And the first week in December, I'm going to be using some really cool stickers that I just got. And then I'm going to show you the newest Sugar&Sloth box. So stick around. As you can see, my desk is an absolute tip. I had no idea what I wanted to put in here, but I just surrounded myself with things that I love and then just threw things at the wall and saw what stuck. I put in one of these big sticky note things. Somebody sent me a pad of these and they're so cute, and I just thought I'd write my information on there, like my, if found, please return to. And then that heart die cut is a freebie that I got sent in one of my Shine Sticker Studio orders. So cute. I love those little bows. And then I decided, wild hair, that I wanted to make a little tip-in that kind of went over that little cover page. And this is acetate that I had gotten from Rose Colored Days a long time ago. So I kind of tipped it in with washi tape. And it's a little odd because I didn't do it right into the corner, so it's kind of strange. I don't know, but it works. I like it. I didn't want it to overlap the paper, so I don't know. This little die cut was sent to me a long time ago from, oh gosh, it was from a box that no longer exists now, but I just thought it was the cutest little cloud. And then I have all these die cuts and washi tapes. And of course, after I finished setting up the front, I found the pocket full of stickers that you guys have all sent me recently that I've been stashed away to put in this. And then and then forgot where I'd stuck the pocket. So now I have to use some of those stickers that I found in another video. Maybe we'll do the back. I can't keep myself straight these days. So I got some cat washi tape. I love that pink washi tape with the black cats. I had to go and steal it back from my daughter's room because she had stole it out of my art room and kept it in her stuff. But nope, that's not gonna work. And then some cute like little heart whisker washi tape. And then I was sent that grown-ass sticker collector die cut. That is from Maker Doer Mama. And I love her. She has got the funniest things. They are so great. I will link her below. So I glued that in there, and then I decided to put this sticker from the Sugar&Sloth Tiny Party Club box that I just got sent. If you do not know about Sugar&Sloth, well, you need to go check it out. I will link the Instagram, but basically this is the cutest little box run by the sweetest, most lovely person in the UK, and she wanted to start sending me it again because I had put my subscription on hold because I was getting so much stuff. But she's like, I really love, to see you open it and stuff. So I could not be more thankful. And I had ordered some other die cut stickers and stuff, so those should be coming. But this one is so cute, and the theme was, oh gosh. Where's the card? Something extremely cute. Rainy day penguins. Oh my god. I just love it. And so I put the sticker that came in it, I'm over it, over 2020, the 2020 calendar, and I thought that was amazing. And then I had ordered from Shine Sticker Studio the Hobonichi Weeks month cover kit because they make those. And so if you're looking for really cute stickers, they've got cousin kits and for every single size. And so I was putting those in there. And if you do make an order from Shine Sticker Studio, make sure to use my code Emily15 and you'll get 15% off your order. I will also link all of that down below. I want you guys to get the best deals. And let's see. I had gotten these sticky notes. I ordered them from Tickled Pink Planning, which I learned about from Desley Jane Plans. She's based in Australia. They took a while to get to me. I ordered a die cut and then some other stuff, but they're so cute that I've been hoarding them. And then I put a little Luna die cut and my little Petty Pop die cut in there. The Luna's from Shine Sticker Studio. The Petty Pop, I think, is also from Maker Doer Mama, maybe, I'm not sure. And now I'm going to show you the months that I decorated. You guys saw the first like 4 or 6 months, I'm not sure. But basically I just decided to use my most favorite stickers and I decorated the months with them. So summer, like I used Molang and SumikkoGurashi and my little Hong and Ding stickers, and then I used some of my Hida girl stickers, and the months are my favorite part. And this is the planner that I'm currently in right now, you know. This is the week of Thanksgiving that I just set up, and that is a kit from Shine Sticker Studio, so I can also link that below. And it's basically the cutest Thanksgiving kit ever. And then I decided to set up my first week in December in my new weeks. I kind of was flip-flopping back and forth here. And I am using stickers that Bree Hatton sent me from Documented Journey, and she is a beautiful, beautiful artist. Oh my goodness. The things that she does with a ballpoint pen, you guys, it blows my mind. And these are some of her Christmas stickers. I will link her website below. She also makes journal covers that are gorgeous. But I loved these stickers, and so I wanted to use those on this first week in December. And I also wanted to tell you guys that Bree and I have teamed up to do a prompt list in December for, well, you can do collage, you could doodle, you could do photographs. So I will be posting more about that on my Instagram, but it's kind of like a December daily type thing, and I am going to be doing it in my journal. But look on my Instagram for that prompt list. My Instagram is just EmiLou.Arts. So, and I will have that linked below too. So I'm really excited about that. I was blown away when she contacted me, and I was like, you know that I'm not like an artist, right? She's like, no, but I think that it'll be so fun. And I totally agree. So she is incredible. So check her out. And I'm excited. I hope you guys will take part in our little December daily too. So I don't have much on the calendar yet for this first week in December. But I'm just doing my usual highlighting to keep track of, you know, who's doing what, keep my brain in place. And then I ordered these tabs a long time ago from Rose Colored Days, and I wanted to stick a little tab on the beginning of the notes pages. And if you'll see, I used the Marks, is it Mark? Yeah, tabs. Somebody sent me those in Happy Mail, and I put them on wrong. Mark sticker. You can get them on Jet Pens and I think Tokyo Pen Shop, and I had put the name of the month towards the front, and obviously it made it so that the numbers on the back were upside down, and I don't care, it's cute. And then I got out my pink Foxy Fix Sugar something Hobonichi Weeks cover, because I knew I was going to start using that the first week of December, because I have so many adorable like winter papers and cute die cuts that look so cute in a pink planner. So I got that out and set that all up. So a lot of those die cuts of Luna and Star are from Shine Sticker Studio. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at how cute it is. I just can't. I love a cute planner. Every time I'm like, we're just going to go minimal this time, you know, it just does not turn out like that. Nope, because that's not what I like. So, yes, that's my first week set up. So it's all ready for me to dive into after this coming Thanksgiving week. And I am going to do multiple Christmas setups, like holiday, also with my red Moterm cover, because I've got more die cuts that are sort of like more like deeper Christmassy, traditional Christmassy colors. And then I've got these pastel ones. So you guys just hold on to your butts. It's going to be a month, okay? And I'm really excited for it. Because I just need all the cute things right now. I don't know. I know a lot of us are in lockdown. A lot of us are doing the virtual schooling and everything. and I'm struggling right now. So I won't lie. So this is making me happy. And so right now I'm going to cling to anything that I can do that makes me happy and makes me smile. So a lot of times that's my planner. When I'm stressed out, it's my planner. So here we are. I will link everything that I've mentioned, or try to, below. And I hope that you guys are clinging to something that is bringing you joy and making you happy in these times. 2020 is almost over. We've almost got this, all right? I'm thinking about you. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.